guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World, and today what we are doing is spicy hash browns. I really love hash browns, but most of the store-bought ones are really bland, so I like a lot of spice, so I do mine and I add what I want to put in. Yeah, just add anything that you want to put in, and I want to make a spicy one because I love spice. So let's get started. So guys, I have some peeled potatoes here, as you can see. Okay, I have some peeled potatoes. These are not russet potatoes, these are Mary's Piper potatoes, but you can use russet potatoes if you prefer. Okay, most people use that, but I love Mary's Piper, so that's what I'm using today. So what I've peeled them is about 4 medium-sized ones. So I've peeled them and I'm going to just grate them. So I have my grater here, so I'm going to grate them and then we go on from there. So guys, I've grated the potatoes. Okay, so the next thing I need to do, just to take out the starch, I'm adding cold water. This is ice cold water, and it helps take out some of the starch from the potatoes. Okay, just try and right, can put them in to this. Just I need something just to really take out the water out of it. So what I've done here, I have this cloth, okay, and I'm trying to just put everything in there, and then I'll squeeze the water out of it. Okay. So what I do, try and squeeze the water, really turn it. As you can see, the water is coming out. Make it very dry. If you have a tea towel, you can use that as well. Just anything to help squeeze the water out. It's done nicely. So guys, before I put the spices into it, I want to just put it on fire for about 5 minutes, okay, with a little bit of butter. So as you can see, I put a bit of butter in the pan, and I'm going to add the grated potatoes. I just want the butter to melt. Right, so I'm adding we just need it to be on for just about a few minutes. You just want to cook it for a few minutes, and then we can add the other spices to it. So guys, our potato is cooled nicely. Okay, So what we are going to do here is to add all the ingredients. Okay, this is where the magic happens, right? So most of the store-bought ones are a bit salty, but if you're doing it yourself, just add a little bit of salt, not a lot of salt. Okay, so I add just about a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and I add just about a teaspoon, just half a teaspoon of paprika. I just love the scent of paprika. And then I have just a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I know I love a lot of spice. Okay, and just also just about a teaspoon of black pepper. Smells really good. So the next thing I have to add, I'm just adding all the dry ingredients, which they're all dry ingredients anyway. I add what I have here. I have chopped chilies. Okay, it's optional. Okay, if you add, I know I've added a bit of cayenne pepper, but I like it more spicy. So I'm adding chopped chilies, and I'm adding, this is garlic, chopped garlic, and I have chopped spring onions. I love the scent of spring onions, so that's why I'm adding it. It's your preference. Okay, so I add all that, and I have grated onions, just about quarter of a large onion, white onion. Okay, add that to that as well. I have here some, I think it's half a cup of mozzarella and half a cup of plain flour. Add that to that. And also I have some parsley I want to add. I love parsley. Okay, so the last bit is I add 1 egg, just to help bind all of it. Okay, so what all you need is to just add the veg that you prefer. I just love the spice, and I love spring onion. You can just mash it up a bit like that. So guys, there's oil in the pan, so I am about to fry that. So just 1 tablespoon, put that in. Try and shape it. You can shape it as well before you put it in, whichever way you prefer. So guys, while my hash browns are cooling down, I am going to make this sauce, this nice mayo sauce. I have 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise here, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of ketchup. Okay, and then I'll add just a bit of crushed chilies. It makes it taste good. I like it spicy. Okay, just about half a teaspoon. All right, and then I'll add, you can add, if you want it more spicy, you can add some cayenne pepper, just about half a teaspoon cayenne pepper if you prefer. Okay, I like the crushed chilies because it makes it much nicer. And I have some, to bring more of the acidity into it, I have some lime, so I'll just squeeze a bit of lime into it. It's about a tablespoon lime. Just mix it. And it tastes really nice. If you want more of the, like, you can add just a little bit of a zest of a lemon as well, and it smells really good. Okay, that's my nice mayo sauce. It's a spicy sauce for my hash brown, and it tastes really good, guys. You need to try this. So guys, this is my spicy hash browns. Okay, I've got my spicy mayo and I've got my hash browns. Okay, they are really crispy and taste really good. Okay, you can try this recipe. It's very easy to do. You can just add anything that you want and prepare, and then just fry them, and just have it with any sauce of your choice. You can have ketchup, or you can have a hot sauce like mine. Okay, so yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications. Okay, so when I put up a new video, you'll be notified of it. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys, and I thank you all. Thank you to all my subscribers and everyone who has supported me this far. I'm very grateful. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.